Okay, so today we are working on this stackable Maytag dryer and washer that was making some kind of weird noises, and so we took it apart and we found that this blower, when you spin it, this touches the body, the blower housing from some reason. So we're not quite sure why exactly yet, but we'll take it apart and look further and see if it's just the blower or maybe the housing is bent. And so we'll keep diagnosing here and we'll find what's going on. Okay, so basically what we found, what happened here, somebody in the past worked here on the back because this venting hose used to fall down, so they kind of made somewhat of a mess here and push it strongly against the valve. And so what happened over the time, this whole housing was pushed forward. It was forward. Now we secured it with some screws here and here to make sure it's like very tight, because it was leaning forward. The blower was pushing against the body. And so now that we secured it properly, and now the noise is gone, so now we just put it back together and we'll do some testing. Okay, so everything was put back and it's running now without any noises, so repair is done successfully.